Hi folks, it's John, and I'm here with the birds. We had a sad day yesterday, as everyone probably knows. We lost one, and I don't know really what to say. I was only getting 5 eggs out of 6 chickens, and one of them got sick and had to be put down, and I'm still getting 5 eggs. So I think nature had its way of taking care of things in a weird sort of way. But having a super mild winter. It's January 12th, and it's almost 50 degrees outside, and I've got a bunch of happy and apparently still hungry birds, even though I've given them a bunch of stuff to eat. So that's the update. Just something quiet. Coop's all clean. I don't know, you guys get a little better tour. I got a new little gadget that holds my phone, so maybe we'll make some better videos together. Aw, aren't they cute? Come here. Come here. You want to come up? You want to come up? You want to come up? Maybe. Maybe. Come here. You want to come up? Come on, you want to come up? Apparently the answer is yes. Not sure what you guys can see, but have a good day. Don't poke my eye out, please. Bye.